always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Always remarkable to see just how long the recovery process takes, even for an EF1 tornado. That was quite the event, but to think it was already 6 months ago now, to the day. Let's get you out over East Grand Rapids now, where we have a pretty quiet night. Wind is beginning to pick up a bit. That's going to become even more evident through this evening and overnight. But in the meantime, we can enjoy what's about to be a really nice sunset and what has been a terrific day of weather. Even with the chilly temperatures, the sunshine has certainly been welcome. 29 now in Grand Rapids, 31 in Kalamazoo and Battle Creek, 27 in Holland, Muskegon, and Ludington, and 26 in Fremont. But with those winds that are beginning to pick up, feels like readings are in the teens along the lakeshore, low 20s inland, and it will likely continue to feel pretty chilly overnight tonight into early Sunday morning. We're tracking a warmer and breezy Sunday, substantially warmer with high temperatures up in the mid-40s. That does come along with a bit more in the way of cloud cover. That warm-up commences and peaks on Tuesday. That's when we have the potential for some stronger thunderstorms to roll through Tuesday night as a strong cold front pushes through. Then we drop our temperatures once again. Here's Storm Track Live, where we have cloud cover filtering in from the west, so we won't see the clear skies tonight and tomorrow that we experienced during the day today. In fact, Futurecast shows those clouds continuing to stream in. This won't be enough to likely completely keep the sun away, but we will be partly to mostly cloudy throughout the day on Sunday. Doesn't last for long, though. As we get into Monday morning, we start to develop some breaks in that cloud cover, and that should lead to periods of sunshine during the day on Monday. Winds out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. That will be picking up pretty dramatically over the next few hours. Wind gusts expected to reach 25 to 30 miles per hour close to midnight tonight. Winds peak right around mid-morning tomorrow, where we could see some gusts in the 30 to 40 mile per hour range at times. And then it tapers off through the rest of the afternoon, and evening winds become pretty light for us into the day on Monday. So as we look at the high temperature trend, it's pretty easy to see the warm-up that's on the way. We're in the mid-40s tomorrow, mid-50s by Monday, mid-60s for Tuesday. And that is as the strong low pressure system gets set to roll right on into the Great Lakes. Now we're watching the Tuesday evening time frame for the possibility of at least some soaking rains, potential for some stronger thunderstorms. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center is already highlighting most of lower Michigan in that severe weather risk. At this time, it looks like damaging winds would be the primary concern. And at this point, we're not overly concerned about the setup. However, it does bear close watching, as do most springtime systems like this. If the timing lines up just right, we could end up dealing with a few stronger thunderstorms. Your 8-day forecast shows most of the action is front-loaded in the first half of this forecast. Once that cold front comes through, we cool off pretty dramatically. Temperatures fall through the day on Wednesday down to the 20s, but then we warm right back up, upper 40s by Friday, mid-50s by Saturday, and it looks like the warm weather is here to stay for quite some time. So a little bit of everything coming up over the next week.
All right, not a bad forecast. Thanks, Blake.